entry. Everything is going great today, tra-la-la-la. The world looks so different today, la-la-la-la. Because I am full of joy, I feel so much love for the world and for all my special friends. When did you get here, Omer? I didn't see you come in.
I just got here, and I heard your song. I love it.
We composed it!
That's right. And we started this band all by ourselves.
But we're not totally complete. We still need a guitarist to finish the band.
Well, actually, I can play the guitar. If you want, I'd be happy to join your band.
I'm not sure.
I think that sounds great. Don't you think so, Neşe?
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. We can start rehearsing right away.
Let's take it from the top.
1, 2, 3.
Everything is going great today, tra-la-la-la. The world looks so different today, la-la-la-la. Because I am full of joy, I feel so much love for the world and for all my special friends.
Omer, I've been looking for you.
Hello, Gulchin. I'm gonna be playing guitar in their band.
Oh, really? That's great.
Okay, it's time for a break.
Neşe, would you like to play tennis with me?
I'd love that.
I'll stay and rehearse.
All right, Mutlu. We'll see you later then.
See you later. Everything's going great today. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la-la. The world looks so different today. Tra-la-la, la-la-la-la. What's going on here? Why doesn't it play? How is that possible? But this one still plays. Oh my gosh! The guitar sound is lost! Oh! This is lost too! Ah!
They both really play incredibly well.
I know. Neşe just loves to play tennis. What's wrong, Mutlu? Why are you moving around all over the place like that?
Huh? I can't seem to understand him.
Mutlu, why don't you have a voice? Look, shopalots!
Uh-oh. What kind are they?
It looks like they're back again.
Did they take your voice, Mutlu? Then I need to go right away.
I think she's right. I'm going too.
I also have something to do.
I don't understand them, Mutlu. They all took off just like that.
No, there's nothing about voice shopalots. Huh? You're right, Yumak. It's time for me to put my medallion on. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. I should tell Minnie and Manny about this. They might know something.
Help me!
It's Mom! Did you see a shop-a-lot? Oh! Thank you for helping, Mom. Medallion, show me your power. Huh! It can't touch me anymore. Follow me, sweet shop-a-lot. Yeah, come, follow me. That's good. Yeah, follow me. You good, sweet shop-a-lot. Hey, where are you going? That's so odd. They're leaving.
Neşe, the music shop-a-lots are on Earth. They're an unknown species, so our system couldn't detect them.
How am I supposed to stop these shop-a-lots?
They collect voices and music and bring them back to their music planet.
We need to get to that planet and take them back.
I'll jump in the spaceship now.
Good, see you there.
Yumak, you be a good boy and wait for me here. I'm gonna go and bring our voices back.
You'll be surprised at what's on the music planet.
Oh, what lovely voices I hear.
Neşe, you've arrived.
This planet is really fun. All our moves turn into melodies. Oh, this is great.
Hey, what is this?
This is a balloon shop-a-lot.
A balloon shop-a-lot on the music planet?
The council chief must have sent it. We're stuck here.
Don't fight it, Neşe. We can only stop it when we are outside of it.
And we are inside it.
Seems like we got busted. Goochlu is here.
Hey, you shop-a-lots. Will you please give us back the voices and music you took from planet Earth? And also, I'd appreciate it if you would free my friends from your balloon. Haha, I knew asking you nicely wouldn't work out.
Why did you drop us so fast?
Pink Planet power to the rescue! Ha-ha!
Stop right there!
Now that's the way you get busted.
It's time to shrink them.
It's time to go to sleep. Oh, it's so sweet when you shop-a-lots go to sleep. Lullaby,
Goochlu! Goochlu!
Now it's time to collect all of the voices. Come on, Minnie.
Are you ready, Manny?
Come right this way, you guys. Now we can take the Earth's voices back.
Oh, my voice is back.
Come this way, you shop-a-lots.
Let's head to Earth and bring all of the voices back.
Sounds great, let's go.
Okay, all right. I'll see you guys later then.
Thanks once again for all of your help.
I'll be with you whenever you need me, team.
It's great to have our voices and music back. We miss them.
Huh? Omer is here.
Hello there, Omer.
Hey, everybody.
Come on, gang, let's play our new song.
Take your places, everyone.
1, 2, 3.
Everything is going great today.
Kids, you sound amazing.
The world looks so different today. La 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 la. Because I am full of joy.
I really love this
I feel so much love for the world and for all my special friends.
They saved themselves again. And now they have Omer in their band. Oh, they always manage to win.